Hello! So this is our first ever series, okay, in our tutorial class. So I decided to do a series para naman meron kayong matutunan a little, or maybe I could share a little. If you want, you can share also of your knowledge about the lesson. So sabi ko nga, random siya. So let's begin. All right. So today we're going to learn first the 4 basic mathematical operations. All right. So the 4 basic mathematical operations are addition, subtraction, and we have multiplication, multiplication, and of course division. All right. Yan. So addition is the process of adding things together, right? And we have the symbol of the plus sign. Ganyan. So let's say we have 2 numbers. So it's a 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. What do we call these numbers? We call this the addends. And the answer to your addends, or the number that you add up, is called the sum. Okay, so that's very important for us in learning the concept of all the basic mathematical operations. Okay, so this is the basic, this is the start, the scratch thing. Okay, so next we have subtraction. So let's say we have 7, and the symbol for subtraction is the minus sign, minus 5. Okay, remember the number here, we call it your minuend, and the number here is your subtrahend. And make sure that your minuend is always bigger than your subtrahend. Okay, subtrahend. Yan, kulang ng T. Sorry. And then the answer is called the difference. There. So 7 minus 5, that is, ilan nga? Yes, you are correct. 2. 2 is your difference. All right. Next one, we have your multiplication. Remember, your multiplication is, we use the symbol, the x one. That's your multiplication. X. Yan, X yan. So multiplication is a repeated addition. Yan. When you say repeated addition, we repeat numbers. Same numbers. All right? Same numbers. All right. So it should be equal numbers. So for example, we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. So this is it. Yeah. So again, this is APLUS Tutorial Center, and I am teacher Rachel. Okay. So to continue with our multiplication, so we say multiplication is a repeated addition. So how is it repeated? So look. So let's say we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. So again, multiplication is a repeated addition. Yan. In Tagalog, pinaulit-ulit. Paulit-ulit lang. And remember, they should be equal numbers. Okay? So kailangan 2 plus 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3 plus 3. So how is this a multiplication? So number 1, we have to know how many groups of 2's are there. So 1, 2, 3. And we write 3 there. And then, what is the number that we added 3 times? So it's the number 2. So let's place the symbol X there. Alright? And we have to multiply. So the answer here, your sum, is the same as your product. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. So to label them up, we have this as your multiplicand. There, multiplicand. And your multiplier. Yan, mga bata, tandaan yan ha, multiplicand and multiplier. And your answer to your multiplication is your product. Yan. And of course, the next and the last basic mathematical operation is your, what? It begins with the letter D? Yes, division. Okay, so division is the inverse of multiplication. Okay, so inverse. When you say inverse, it means that it's the kabaliktaran. Okay, inverse of division. So multiplication is the inverse of division, or the other way around. All right, so here we go. So let's say we have the number 4 divided by 2. Divided by 2, and the answer is 2. In Tagalog, ilang 2 mayroon ang 4, or ilang beses nating mahati ng dalawa ang 4. And dalawa yan. So let's say we have this another symbol. Okay, so it's always the bigger number inside, and this one. So that's how we do it. So 4 divided by 2, how many 2's are there in 4? You say 2, and you go down. 2 times 2, that's 4. And when you go down, the next is subtraction, that's 0. So your answer is this. So this is your, what do we call this? All right, you are correct. So 4 is your what? Dividend, and 2 is your divisor, and the product, the answer is your quotient. So we have dividend, and then divisor, and your quotient. All right, yan. So how is it the inverse of multiplication? So if this is 4 divided by 2, you write here 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So you put your divisor here, you put your quotient here, and this will be your dividend. See? Baliktad lang. So thank you again. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. This is Teacher Rachel. Please subscribe. Follow us, please. Or you can subscribe to our channel. We have APLUS Tutor. Rache. Look for that sa ating YouTube channel. Okay? Thank you. Or sa TikTok. Find me there. I'll see you. Bye. Thank you.